Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the next-gen Toyota Mirai is the Marque'S hydrogen fuel cell Saloon. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Toyota today announced that it will preview the next generations of its groundbreaking zero-emission Mirai fuel cell electric vehicle, FCEV, at the 2019 Tokyo Motor Show. The Mirai Concept, a final stage development model of the second generation Mirai, will be on view at the Future Expo from October 24 until November 4 at Megaweb. The totally redesigned Mirai reflects a major step forward for FCEVs and the potential of a hydrogen society, boasting significantly greater range, improved driving performance, and an elegant, sporty design that offers increased passenger room and comfort. The new Mirai is a complete departure. Rather than a compact front driver, the second-gen model steps up to significantly larger rear-wheel drive platform. I'm guessing this is some derivations of the Lexus LS or LC's underpinnings. The Mirai's new 195.8-inch length and 140.9-inch wheelbase are certainly in the right neighborhood. The new look is probably one of the best Toyota pen design of the recent memory, with a wide, low stance and a profile that matches an elongated hood with the smooth arc of its coupe-like roofline. The horizontal grille is a bit large but somehow is less offensive than the Avalon's big old mesh mouth, working well with the Mirai's dramatic nose, deeply set headlamps and DRLs. Somehow it all just comes together nicely. Inside, we get more hints of the Mirai's LS roots, with the most obvious hints being the massive 12.3-inch widescreen display and a digital instrument cluster and high level of appointment. This interior looks like Lexus luxury, where the old model was just Prius weird. I'm told to expect the full suite of Toyota infotainment, safety, and driver aid tech. Now you're probably wondering, what is a hydrogen cell fuel? Well, let me explain it to you. Unlike a traditional internal combustion powertrain, the hydrogen fuel cell works by generating electricity by a chemical reaction with no associated emissions aside from water vapor. This electricity then powers an electric motor, which in the Mirai's case sits on the rear axle, providing drive. Toyota claims to have made a great strides with how the Mirai drives, with an increase in range and performance and improved drivability. Toyota had target of increasing range by 30%, which it says have been achieved by both improved system efficiency and increased hydrogen storage capacity. The inherent advantage of a hydrogen fuel cell powertrain is its non-reliance on the grid, which so often is the dividing aspect of the argument about how clean battery electric vehicles actually are, from a well-to-wheel perspective.